All right guys, so the first drill that we're gonna go over is just a slow back pedal. I like this because I can look at great toe range, I can work on rolling from the great toe down through the foot and into the heel, and then loading my knees and my ankles. It's also it's a unilateral exercise where I get a chance to shift into my hips a lot. So let me show you what it looks like. Again, we're gonna be looking at the ankle range of motion. So I don't want to hinge a whole lot. I'm gonna sit down into kind of whatever I have dorsiflexion wise. I'm gonna take a step. So I'm standing on one leg. I'm gonna go big toe, roll down to my whole foot, and then I'm gonna take my next step. Now I'm on one leg, right? So I'm working that ankle in a loaded position. And I'll go big toe, arching my foot, heel, big toe, arching my foot, heel, and I'll do somewhere between 10 and 12 repetitions, maybe 5 to 6 per leg, but really trying to own each step, working with that really good ankle range of motion and dorsiflexion. Okay, so that one's really easy. Maybe we do 2 sets of 10 to 12. I like to pair it with something where we go the opposite, right? So it's a different type of, it's a squat lunge walk, it's a different type of movement, but it's gonna work on exactly the same thing. So what we'll do is, setup is exactly the same. I go into about a quarter squat, again, making sure that I've got good range of motion. I'm gonna take a long step. So again, here I am on one leg. I go heel, rocking all the way through to my full foot. And now I take my next step, dorsiflexing, rolling, getting here, okay, I'm loaded again, and I just walk forward. Right, same thing, maybe 10 to 12 repetitions, 5 to 6. So we've looked at dorsiflexion, that's kind of our plantar flexion, dorsiflexion exercise or drill series. And then I want to do one more where I'm working on supination and then pronation of the foot. So what's that look like? That's a lateral squat walk. So last time set up exactly the same way. I'm going to take a step, right? So now I'm supinated and pronated. I'm going to push over, switching, and then I'm stepping together, right? So I'm maintaining my dorsiflexion. I'm kind of cruising through my athletic ready position, pushing, and then I just go back in the other direction. Okay, that's our little 3 exercise series. It helps the ankles, it helps the knees, it helps the feet. Give it a shot.